So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will teach you how you can fix your Play Store app problem not downloading or installing. So guys, you have to go for in your Play Store app, and after going in Play Store app you have to go for your profile icons, and after that you have to go for manage apps and device. So after that you have to check for whether you have updated your apps or not. So click in the see details, and after coming here, here you can see this. If you got problem not installing or downloading, it means you have not down updated. Okay, so after doing updates in your app, then only you can start your apps. So guys, for that you have to just update your mobile ones, and this is what you have to do. And so guys, thanks for watching this video.